Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the YouTube URL and deciding the audio quality you want, because quality affects file size and conversion time. Once done, install a reliable converter app and grant it storage access so it can save files. Next, set an output folder and consistent naming scheme to avoid duplicates. This helps you organize later. Now open the converter and paste the URL. Make sure to select Mp3 and the desired bitrate before you proceed to download. The app needs that instruction to You next configure conversion settings. Pick Mp3, set bitrate like 320 kbps for better fidelity, and confirm 44. 1 kHz sample rate so playback is standard. If you only need part of the track, trim the start and end now. This saves time and avoids extra editing. Once settings are set, start the conversion and watch progress. Conversions can take from seconds to minutes depending on length and bitrate. Make sure temporary files don't exceed your free storage, because interrupted conversions corrupt output. You should now test the Mp3 on at least 2 players to confirm playback and bitrate accuracy, and then edit ID3 tags so artist, title, and album art display correctly. If the file fails to play or is corrupted, retry conversion with a lower bitrate or choose a different converter app. Sometimes codec compatibility causes errors. Finally, keep the original YouTube link and timestamps until you're satisfied, because having that reference speeds up reconversion or metadata fixes if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.